Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add roles on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure you're in the server in which you want to create the role. After you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on the server name that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options. You'll be able to find the options like boost, invite, notifications, settings. Tap on the settings icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to access the server settings. What you have to do is scroll down. Now in the section for user management, at second you'll be able to find the option for roles. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the server roles interface. You'll be able to see all the roles that you've created over here. So if you want to add the new role, tap on the plus icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to create the role for yourself. In first step, what you have to do is simply select the role name and role color. What you have to do is enter the role name over here. Likewise, select the role color. Tap on the field of role color. Now after you do that, you'll be able to pick a color for yourself. Tap on the color of your choice. Now tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the create option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to set up the permissions. You'll be able to find various options like cosmetic, member, moderator and manager over here. According to the option you select, the permissions will be different. So simply select the option according to your choice. After you do that, tap on the select option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to assign this role to the member. You'll be able to see all the members over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the member that you would like to assign this role to. Once you do that, tap on the finish option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that role has been created. So like this, you'll be able to add the role. So that is how you add roles on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.